Hi, good morning everyone. For today, let's do this hands-on activity. So we will be needing colored strips of paper. So we will use these strips to make bar models, then solve the multiplication word problems. So this is the example. Trish has 4 plates of strawberries. There are 3 strawberries on each plate. How many strawberries are there in all? So first, we need to choose 4 colored strips of the same length to show 4 plates. So I have here my colored paper, and then I will be cutting a long strip. I will cut a long strip and then divide it into 4. Okay, it says here that you need to show 4 strips of the same length. So for me to be sure that I will be having the same length, I folded it into 4. So now I have 4 strips with the same length. I have a clear paper here and then glue them on a sheet of paper to make a bar model. So I will glue them to make a bar model. So it should be one straight line. Okay, oops, had it folded. I'll fix it. Okay, 2 more. So I believe you also have colored papers at home. If you don't have any colored paper at home, what can you do? Just get a white paper, color it so that it will turn into colored strips. Okay, so now I have my 4 colored strips of the same length, and this one will show the 4 plates because the problem says Trish has 4 plates of strawberries. So each strip stands for 4 plates. Okay, so next, label the bar model with the data in the word problem. Write 3 above. Where is my pen? Okay. Write 3 above one strip to show 3 strawberries. Okay, so I have 3. Show what has to be solved with a question mark. So we need to find out how many strawberries are there in all. So I need to find out the total. I have to put the question mark. Write the multiplication sentence to find the answer. Then write the answer statement. So what is our multiplication sentence? How many plates are there? We have 4. How many in each plate? We have 3. So we have to multiply and then find the product or the answer. And then the answer is 12. So how many strawberries? There are 12 strawberries in all. Okay, so there are 12 strawberries in all. Okay, so this is what you are going to do for today. So I will be giving you the 2 problems. You are going to work on these 2 problems. Let me show it to you. Okay, so you will be working on these problem number 1 and problem number 2, and do the same thing as what we did just now. So you need to prepare a blank sheet of paper or just a scratch paper, but then make sure that the back of it is still clean so that you can paste your strips there and do your problem there. So work on these 2 problems using the strips of paper to demonstrate your bar model, and then take a photo of it and upload it to our CISO account. So don't forget, these 2 problems, Jack and Megan each have 5 CDs. How many CDs do they have in all? The art teacher uses 10 shapes to make a poster. She makes 4 posters. How many shapes does the teacher use in all? For this one, I want to see your creativity. It's up to you what kind of poster, what kind of shape or illustration you want to show, as long as there are only 10 shapes on each poster. So maybe what you can do is just use a half um half of the A4 size paper, so it's not too big. So you will have 4. So if this is the A4 size paper, just cut it into half. So you'll have 4 of this one. Okay, so enjoy. And if you want to ask the help of your parents for cutting and pasting, you may do so. Bye bye.